So I had promised to show you another way for how to factor trinomials. That is kind of a shortcut. So now that we've gone through how and why the factoring of trinomials works, I'll show you the shortcut. So we're going to first start with a trinomial. Let's say that we have 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. This is going to be called the cross method or the X method or the diamond method. It's listed as a lot of different things online. So you first draw an X. In the top section, you're still going to do your A times C. In the bottom section, you're still going to put your B. So my A times C, 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. And our B is negative 2. So now we still need to figure out what multiplies to equal negative 15 and adds to equal negative 2. So let's look at our factors. So negative 1 and 15, 1 and negative 15. Negative 3 and 5 and 3 and negative 5. So which ones would multiply to equal negative 15 but add to equal negative 2? 3 and negative 5. So those are our two terms. Then on top of them, we put our A. So 3x, 3x. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. We have to see if there's anything that can be reduced. You will see that 3x over 3 can be reduced down to x over 1 because 3x divided by 3 and 3 divided by 3 become x over 1. So our first term is x and 1. Our second term is 3x and negative 5. Because it's negative 5, it's a subtraction. Because it's positive 1, it's a plus. And there are our factors. Let's try this again. Let's say that I have 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. So in the top, we're going to do 2 times negative 9 to get negative 18. And in the bottom is b, so it's 3. Multiplies equal negative 18, adds to equal 3. So I have negative 1 and 18, 1 and negative 18, negative 2, and 9, 2, and negative 9, negative 3, and 6, 3, and negative 6. So it has to be negative 3 and 6. They multiply to equal negative 18, add to equal positive 3. 2x goes in the top of both. 2x minus 3 cannot be reduced, but 2x over 6 becomes 1x over 3, so x plus 3. We're going to try one more, and just like before, if you ever want to stop and try it on your own, you're more than welcome to. So let's say that I have 4x squared plus 22x plus 10. Just like every other time that we have gone through and factored, you have to first make sure there's not a greatest common factor in each one. And there is a GCF in this one, it's 2. So now I have 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. So our answer is always going to have a 2 on the outside. So 2 times 5 is 10, and 11 is our B. Multiplies equal 10, adds to equal 11. Well, that has to be 10 and 1. 2x goes in each one. The 2x and 1 cannot be reduced, but the 2x over 10 can be reduced to x over 5. So here is our final answer.